Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and today I'm here with a really cool case from UAG for the new iPhone 16 Pro. This is their Plasma XDE. So you get a built-in stand. This is going to work in portrait. It also works in landscape. You've got adjustable angles on here. This will also work as a ring stand. Folds flat when not in use. The case is going to be MagSafe. It will give you 20 feet of drop protection. It's got a clear back to show off your beautiful iPhone. You've got those oversized tactile buttons that are classic UAG. And overall, this is just a really nice case. Let's take a closer look. Looking at the construction of the Plasma XDE case, you've got a hard polycarbonate back on here and then sides which are made of a softer TPU material. This case is relatively rigid, but it does have some give to it, basically on the sides. This makes the case not difficult to get on and off your phone. So we got a cutout here for the camera control button. You've got oversized tactile buttons. These work really well, but they do have a slit button design which can let in dust or dirt. I was happy to see that the action button is covered with this one. And then we've got airsoft corners on here to give you more drop protection. Again, you've got that 20 feet of drop protection here, which is great. And then the ring on the back is adjustable in angles. It goes down as far as here, so this works well as a portrait stand, but of course you can also adjust it at various angles. You can do a landscape as well, and folds nicely out of the way when not in use. This also is magnetic, so this works with MagSafe. You've got protection for your rear camera. Overall, really nice case here from UAG. So putting your phone in here, it's really easy. Just start on your left-hand side and then clip on your right-hand corners. Once on, we've got a good fit on here overall, but we do have some areas with give, particularly over your camera control area, and then also over your buttons in general and a little bit over your port openings. As far as the amount of lip protecting your screen, I do currently have a tempered glass screen protector on here by FlowLab. Their FlowLab Nano Armor screen protector. This is the one-time one, so it's not one of their Infinity edge-to-edge screen protectors. This one's case compatible, but as you can see, we got a really nice fit here with this UAG case. And I also think you got plenty of screen protection here with this amount of lip. Obviously, you'd have a little bit more lip if I didn't have a screen protector on here, but even with a screen protector on here, I think you've got plenty of lip to protect your screen. Going down here to our port openings, nicely positioned and nicely sized. I like the fact that we have asymmetrical port openings for the asymmetrical port design of the phone, and I don't think you're going to have an issue fitting most third-party USB-C cables here. This is plenty large. Going around to the sides, we've got these corners that jut out a bit. These are their airsoft corners. These are going to give you extra protection. Again, you got that 20 feet of drop protection here. And then going up the side, you have a pleasant amount of grip here. Not too grippy, just grippy enough so that it feels secure in the hand, but still will slide easily in and out of pockets and handbags. The buttons are oversized, tactile, very responsive and clicky, but of course they are a slit button design, so you could potentially have dirt or dust get into the case that way. And then going up here to the top, again, you've got these airsoft corners that jut out a bit, giving you additional protection. Nice fit here, as you can see from the view from the top. Going over to the side button, nice and responsive, also that slit button design. And then coming down here to our camera control, I think that it's reasonably easy to operate your camera control button through here. But the only thing that I notice, which is a little bit odd to me, is that you have a little bit of a jut out here. This is not entirely smooth here in the lip in front, so I find my finger kind of runs into this. I'm sure that this is here for additional protection, maybe additional look. I'm not really sure what's going on there. It works okay, but I do wish that we didn't have that sort of extra little jut out there. But other than that, I think everything works fine with this cutout. Although, of course, with any cutout, you're going to have an issue with allowing dirt or dust to get into the case and potentially affect your pretty button. So you do have to be aware of that. I think a lot of people would prefer to have a covered camera control button area, but not very many third-party cases do at this point. So looking at the back of the case, this crystal clear polycarbonate does a wonderful job in showing off the beauty of your iPhone. I think everything looks lovely here. Love the way this looks with my Silver 16 Pro. Of course, this type of material tends to scratch and show fingerprints relatively easily. However, as far as scratching is concerned, the fact that you have these corners here on the sides that jut out a bit, as well as your camera area, means that when you put this on its back, the majority of the back of this case is going to be raised very slightly. And so I don't think you're going to get as much scratching with this polycarbonate area as you would otherwise. It doesn't really help with fingerprints, but I do think it helps reduce scratching over time. So as far as your camera is concerned, you've got a nice amount of protection for your rear camera, no problems there. And of course, this case has this beautiful built-in stand, adjustable angles, very nicely done. This is a metal stand. So this is going to work great in portrait. It's also going to work great in landscape. And you can adjust this angle however you want. Works as a ring stand, although it's not super comfortable because, it's metal. But other than that, I think everything works really well with this, and it folds flat out of the way when not in use. This is also going to be MagSafe, no issues there. So checking it out with Apple's MagSafe charger, everything works great there. Got a good magnetic connection on here. And this is also going to work great with things like UAG's MagSafe power bank. This one's cute. UAG has a really cool new MagSafe power bank out also, which is super rugged. That's not this one, but this one's cute, and it does have a little stand. So I've always been a bit partial to this. So overall, I think everything looks really good here. You got a nice hand feel, you got the convenient stand, you got that 20 feet of drop protection, cool UAG design, pleasant hand feel. There is just a lot to love here from UAG. Removing this case from the phone is very easy. Just start up in your top right-hand corner, push that one off, bottom right-hand corner, push that off, and then pull out your phone. Overall, really cool product here from UAG. So this one is going to be available directly from UAG as well as from other retailers. It has an MSRP of $69.95 and it comes in 3 colors. You have this lovely ash and titanium version that was shown in this review. There is also a black with orange and a black with clear version available. Many thanks to the kind folks at UAG for sending me out this sample to review. If you have any questions about this or anything else, please feel free to put them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer them. And do consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't yet, so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Again, this is Kristen with The Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.